Hi, my realist. Oh, my lip is dry. Let me just get myself all the way together. All right, so today I just wanted to do a quick and simple video showing that you can get your makeup done in 5 minutes and give yourself a nice natural glam. Okay, so I'm not gonna spend too much time. As I said, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, hit that like button, and also please comment so that my videos get pushed. I would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so show some love in the comment section. Now I don't have much to put on. I'm going to show and list the items at the end of this video. Actually, during this video, and I will show you what I look like after with my hair did and everything. So, you know, especially when you're always on the go, you're going to work, you have, you know, not that much time, or you want to just, you know, you maybe go to grocery shopping, or you're going shopping or out with your friends, whatever it may be, and you just have a little bit of time. This is how you can get, you know, get a simple natural glam going and out the door in 5 minutes. Okay, so yes, I put eyelashes on. That doesn't take me any time. I don't know about you, but putting on my eyelashes takes like literally like 2 minutes. Okay, anyway, or less than 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. So I'm not going to put on a base today because I don't want to put on, I don't want it to be too heavy. So here we go. It's funny because right now I am watching a Usain Bolt documentary. It's very interesting. Coming to the end of, you know, his career and stuff, but I'm learning new things and what he aspires to do. But anyway, enough about him. The other day I did a video with Vivian, baby V, showing actually doing the painting video. I had said watch the video in its entirety and you could win $100. So I'm going to announce the winner. There was one individual who followed the instructions. I had a hidden gem at the end of the video, and she won. So I'm going to announce that via Instagram. I'm going to let her know, but I don't think she's on Instagram, so I'm going to have to, I'll post it on Facebook as well. Again, my Instagram is Vishaun for real. So I'm using what is it? Something by Mario. I'm cutting into my time. Makeup by Mario. That's the guy that did Kim Kardashian's makeup. So if you've ever watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians, so basically just, you know, like here, and some here, right? Of course, you wanna blend it in. And the stick that I used, the original, was Quo, and then I put a lighter amount on my cheek, and that is the concealer it's by Kiss. Okay, so you'll see. Yeah, so congratulations to her. I will be announcing that in a couple of days, but I will be doing more of these competitions. And you know what, sometimes I may even randomly choose someone from the comment section to win some money. It could be someone random. So you know what, so show some support, and you know, let me know what you think of the video. Share this video with your friends and family. So as you can see, it's blending in now. Because you know, you want to go out, but you don't want to, you know, a heavy application. So basically, see, I didn't have to put on the base today. So basically, I just blended it in, and now we're on our way. See? And let me just. And now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty. I think it's called it's Filt'r, right? So looks like this. Okay, And these sticks, this is one by Mario. This is my concealer, like here. And then here's the Quo concealer right here. Yep, so let me just blend this one in. So yeah, I will be definitely doing more contests and hidden gem videos, and you'll have a chance to win some coin. You know what, my Realist, you've been good to me, and I want to give back to you. So, you know, continue to support, and I will show, I will show my gratitude to you, because I am not ungrateful for all the support that you have given. And so I'm just using some of the powder. So it's LA Girl. I got it from the hair store. And now I'm just using highlighter on my nose. Okay. And some on the cheeks. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some lip. And then, I know it looks crazy, but I'm just gonna add some gloss. Okay, so pretty much done. Gonna add and that is that, guys. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my hair and show you the product. But see, it's a natural, nice glam look, or you can, you know, it's every day. Is this every day, guys? Because it seems like every day to me. And that's it. Add a little bit, and that's that. So I'm just gonna do my hair, and then I'll show you the finished product, okay? All right, guys. So this is it. I didn't retouch or anything. I just did my hair. So that is my 5-minute glam. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and share this video if you care. Tell me if you hate my makeup, or tell me if you like my makeup. All right, so sit tight and stay tuned. That is that.